the others, that's not real. You make it, then you go fat now. Beef,
Kinamainat, kinamukpa. Kain tayo. Nandyan si Lolo.
The cucumber is salty. Why I put salty?
I think no. The ingredients, the sauce, you know.
The cucumber is salty cucumber. Big bag like that is about the same size as your stomach. Go inside and feel full. Why not switch on the fan? You don't feel hot. Because after rain, you don't feel hot.
Forgot lang.
Certain places in America are flooded. Certain places flooded. No, 100 plus, don't add water. Just put in the fridge, very cold.
You want drink tomorrow? Okay.
Tomorrow can drink some. You can take some from them.
No lah. Tomorrow lah.
Boil some and put in the cup of this. Then you put in the fridge. Because I still got champagne.
You drink more, you go bathroom every time.
You drink beer or wine, you should drink this type of glass. Because the glass is very thin, the shandy will get warm up very fast. That means you need to have a lot of ice.
Yesterday we ate KFC. Then today we eat Big Mac.
Yesterday what?
KFC.
Yesterday you eat Pepsi?
KFC. Kentucky.
This afternoon you very special. Kway teow. Kway teow. She batok like
This afternoon you eat.
when she fry the kway teow, shake the batok.
Yeah.
You stand beside him and dance with him. You also shake a batok and show, wow, this couple come from Philippines.
No lah.
Don't mind the couple, you and the kway teow. Then ask somebody to take a photograph and send it home. 这个光了团在是炒粿条。哦，
Why?
see there, see what pieces of paper in there.
You need tissue?
You go upstairs, the toilet there, and bring down the round wooden one. They put there. You know what I mean?
For who? For madam.
You put that anyway, so they don't stretch so much. See, it's stretching. It's there. It looks so awful.
We eating like kids. Burger.
Or maybe this one take this one put it there.
This side?
The round thing one in my bed, in the bedroom, put here. So easy for me to.
We eating burger lah. For kids. Hindi pa siya tapos. Sabihin naman niya, mabilis ako kumain. Salamat guys! Nandito kasi si Lolo. Lolo. Pool.
That's a 7 here.
Mm.
I watch TV.
What?
I watch TV. See what's the news.
Okay. The food is okay. The chip, the french fries, no nice.
I feeling.
Mm.
You eat all, you don't feel hungry.
Yeah.
Because chip plus the bread.
Mm. 100 plus.
Oh, starch.
100 plus. Okay. Thank you, Lord.
So you pray for me. Then you sleep, you pray for him.